Okay, your character is waking up from sleep. How do you act that? Well, Uta Hagen would suggest these following steps. When you're on stage, you might have to run from your dressing room or a costume change, jump in the bed, and then convincingly wake up from sleep. And a lot of actors don't know how to be convincing with sleep and waking up. And in film, it's even more so. You have to maybe do several takes, one after another. And so you have to get into the state of sleeping, that physiological sensation of being asleep without actually falling asleep. And then your character needs to have an objective to wake up to. And I'll explain a little bit more about that. The first thing you want to do is to get into the bed or the couch or wherever your character is waking up from, and you want to close your eyes. You want to look straight forward. So usually when we are already asleep, our eyes are darting back and forth in front of us. They're looking straight forward. When we're falling asleep, we're looking down. So you don't want to look down because that's how you fall asleep, not how you wake up. So your eyes are closed and you're looking straight forward. And then you want to concentrate on just one part of your body, your shoulders, your knees, your arms, and just completely relax that area. And then kind of try to relax everything else. You can still have a little tension in your body because we have tension when we sleep. But relax everything, relax that one part of your body, focus on it, and then just look straight forward and think of an object that has nothing to do with the scene. Some random thing like a butterfly or a rock. Make a mental picture of that image and focus on it for a few moments. This will give you the sensation of dreaming, of floating, of being out of the scene. Think of an objective that is in the scene. What is your character waking up to? Are they waking up to another person hovering over them? Are they waking up because they hear an alarm? Are they waking up because they're late? They suddenly realize they're late from work. Are they waking up and it's just the bright sun shining and they're having a glorious morning and they're looking forward to their day? Decide what the character is waking up to and then play that objective. So you're focusing on your object, your eyes are closed, you're relaxed, give it a moment, and then alarm. Oh crap, the alarm went off. Oh, damn it, I'm late. And then you have something to play. Any actor that is just told to wake up will flail around and not have anything to do unless they specifically think of the physiological sensations that sleep has and waking up has, and then provides a reason, an objective, something to do once the scene starts. And once you know that, your wake-ups will be much more realistic. Okay, so your character has woken up. Do you want them to go eat something, or do you want them to fall back asleep? Do you want to learn how to eat on stage or on camera, or do you want to go back to bed and fall asleep and nod off to sleep? Make your choice.